Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna be doing a nice little small little mod to complement my carbon fiber side gear trims. So I'm gonna be installing the one for the knob. This just goes over. It's with 3M tape as well. I already went ahead and I removed the red ribbon that goes on the back. What you want to do is go ahead and you clean the area. They provide this adhesion promoter. This takes off every single dirt and grime and any oils from your hands. So you want to clean this off really good. So this is what we're doing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this off, and this takes off all the grime. Look how dirty that is. So once you have that, go ahead and you dry it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply it. So we're gonna wait until this dries up, and then we'll go ahead and apply the trim over. Alright guys, so then what you want to do is you go ahead and you remove the ribbon. I had already removed it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right where it goes and press down. And that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and take another nice little shot, show you around how it basically complements the side trim that I have here on the center console. And then I'm also gonna be installing this area here, so I'll go ahead and show you that on another separate video. So we're gonna go ahead and take a far away shot so you guys can see it from the whole perspective from a farther away, and different shots, and we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Alright guys, so this is from a little farther view. As you can see, I have the trim there, and this just complements the entire look of the car, and just thinks it gives it a nice little touch. So it looks really nice. Anyways guys, I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and give me your comments, like, share, and subscribe as always. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.